What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a super sick day. So much stuff has happened since the last video. If you guys saw the second track day video, that event went nuts. There's also so much stuff like to update y'all, just like on the shop. It's insulated now, the car, the plans for 2021. Oh, and some of you guys probably hadn't even seen, we put a door in right here. So we got rid of, this used to be a tarp if you're new on my channel. Put that door in, put a garage door in, got it insulated, got the heater up here now. So needless to say, the shop is a completely different space. I got this pegboard up, cleaned the toolboxes, cleaned the floor, got this all situated. This is now my new little wiring station and got connectors and all that stuff. If you guys see, there's like a ton of blue tape all over my 240. And you're probably wondering, what is all that blue tape? We're finally starting on body work because there's a wrap in that box. One of the plans for next year is going to require us to run a little bit bigger tire. Hint, hint, wink, wink. I've already kind of rolled the shit out of the fender, but you know, we're going to have to pull it. So I'm going to get in here with a with that long rod and a hammer and go to town on this thing, pull her out quite a bit, use a lot of heat, and just see if I can't make a 245 with 0 degrees of camber fit pretty good in the back. I'm gonna heat this fender up and just kind of come in here and roll it along and push on it. You can see it kind of pulls the fender out when I do that. I'll show you guys what we're working with already. And inside of it, you probably can't see, but I've already rolled the inside quite a bit. So it's pretty thin in there. So that means the fender and this tube are gonna get to know each other pretty well, and hopefully we'll come out with a nice flare on the back of it. Y'all know that feeling when you can tell something's gonna be a lot of work, but you start to see progress and it's like you don't care because now you know it's working. That's how I feel on this fender. You guys can see I'm finally starting to get somewhere. I got so frustrated trying to use the fender roller, which is honestly just too gentle to do what I'm trying to do. Literally just hitting it with this giant rod, putting all my weight into it, getting it really, really hot. Oh, dude, that's gonna fit so good because it's like perfectly flat and it's starting to flare. So fast forward a day, car's up in the air, I'm trying to fix some wiring. Got these 245s mounted up on the back. Pretty much finished with the fenders. I'll probably do a little bit more to them, but it's about what we're looking like. Over here, this side sits a little bit different because 240s are weird. Why am I trying to fix wiring? That's the question. There's a drift event this Sunday. I figured since the car is still you know, in one piece, it might be able to happen. Some of my friends are telling me to come on, so we're gonna try to get this thing ready to go. We're gonna try to get this wiring fixed where it was rubbing at the last event, pull it over a little bit more, and see if I can't get this to angle up a little bit closer. Got this harness way more tucked up now. This little spot up in here, it used to be bent down when the car would squat really hard. Not squat, because that's kind of a rear of the car term. When it would dive, when it would dive on the front, it would, or compress, it would hit this little bit of the tire. So I got this hammered up nice and good. Fixed this outer tie rod, at least for like the event, and we're ready to go rip this thing, dude. Alright guys, there's no 240 in the shop anymore. We just rolled this thing out, and we've actually got quite a bit done, and one of the things we were doing was fixing this camper, or trying to fix it. But then I realized the tow arms get adjusted by it too. So we're gonna go get a quick alignment on this thing, and maybe while we're out, go to the weigh station and see what it weighs. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it get warmed up and head this thing to town. Street driving it. Yeah, baby. This is crazy to be freaking like out in town by the Walmart with the 240. Yeah. Well, we made it back to the shop, got the car in pretty much one piece. Went in the alignment shop, and to be honest, they kind of screwed me over, and they worked really hard to get this thing good to go. I don't think they really were familiar with drift cars, and their machine was kind of acting weird, so now we're kind of screwed. Car made it back, that's the good thing, and I think we're still gonna go to the event tomorrow. I think my toe's a little jacked. Now that I got home and I'm looking at it, it looks like it's like pretty hardcore towed in a little bit, and more positive camber than really what we had in mind. Hopefully it's more my eyes than it is actually that way. Plan is hopefully some people at the track will have some tow plates, and we can get it a little bit more dialed in at the track. I'm not even sure if this will turn out to be a video. I don't know if I have enough footage or whatever, but if I do and this makes a video, hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys on the next one, which is going to be at the track tomorrow. Peace out.